it comes to painting, I don't know what I'm doing. That looks really thin. So I prepared this really nice mixing stick. Oh wow. Yeah, now I can see why they have those paint shakers. So trying to get the primer on tonight, sand it in the morning, and spray it midday, or even earlier if possible. This is taking a long time to mix. Alright, she's starting to look alright. Hey, back here. This looks messy as shit. So to 6, 4 to 1. Boom. Hardener time. And we will give this another mix. Holy shit. Not for use by general public, that's not me. Shit, I don't know how much thinners to put with that. Oh dear. Would it be half-half? I don't know. Okay. Wipe them down. I don't really want to paint my lawn, so we'll chuck some of this crap down. So I'm going to do a quick Google on how much thinners, half thinner and half primer. Primer usually has a ratio of 2 to 1, so you need 2 parts primer to 1 part thinner. Come on, get out of my paint. Look at them. Oh no. Sand them out. Oh. Right. So there's our first coat. As you can see, the locals moved in real fast. Move their shit into my frickin' paint. I don't really know what to do about that. I think I'm just going to spray over them and sand and pray that it's going to turn out alright. Bastards. Alright, panels are all dry. Just check them out. A couple of midgies and shit in there. Nothing a bit of sandpaper won't fix. So I think we'll get these sanded up and yeah, have a go at spraying my first ever top coat. I hope it works out. While I remember, I just want to explain to you guys why this hole is cut like that. And yeah, I know that it's super untidy. So at Pukekohe, at the last round, ended up having my guards blow off from the wind. That guard happened to arrive from a guy that supplies me with fiberglass bits, and couldn't find a hole saw, and we just had to get it on the track, so literally just angle grind the shit out of it, and just got out there, try keep the car looking a bit presentable. Unfortunately, it looks like dog shit, but we're going to be putting a stainless steel plate over it. And anyway, this is only temporary. New colours coming soon. Can't wait to show you guys it. So I'm just going to do a bit of research, because I don't actually know how to mix these. Don't know the ratio, and all they tell you on the back here is a bunch of chemicals, and not for use by the general public. So yeah, do a little Google search and see what we come up with. Well, looks like it's 4 parts, 2 parts, and then 5 to 20% of the thinners or reducer. Let's hope this works out. I'm nervous. First off, probably do a colour test. Yep, that'll do for this one. So the paint man told me to mix this 10 minutes beforehand. Apparently it bonds protons or neutrons, or it mixes itself together. Mix it 10 minutes before. Check it out in the little bag that I got my gun with. Come this little suit. Sort of makes it look like I know what I'm doing. I'm assuming it's to protect you or some shit. All this shit smells potent as. So over here we've got our little spray booth. Got a bit of hay fever today, sorry guys. Let's get into it. Drain this thing first. Water trap's full as. The moment of truth. So I think we got that 5 minutes, and then our second coat can go on. Far out, these midges everywhere. Get off my paint. I found out what the man bag's for. Put your gun in it. Beauty. Right, ready to fill our panels up. Got a hard worker here. Hopefully, fucking blood again. Oh.
Wow, I'd say so.
You say so?
I've been quite frequent like lately, so I can't really do time for the frames on them.
Alright.
Only for like the last hour.
Yeah.
There must be something. I really want to get out of there.
At least they don't smell like cum. Is that the barbecue, or is that... Oh, that's a bit smoky too.
Got a squirter. Get that nice and clean in there.
Tie 3 knots. Any two will hopefully work.
Boys are on. Liam blew a diff. 2 Savage on the gear. 2 J's go hard though. What do you reckon, bro?
That was awesome.
Oh man, thank you, Scotty. Wicked.